Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another layout to inspire you to use your Julie netting dolls. I'm using Jessie. This is from the latest collection, and I used her and her fedora, and you know, she has kind of like a winter scene on, so it's the fall, so that's perfect for this time of the year. And I use these, look at it, 29¢ from Tuesday morning. Can you find anything for 29¢ anymore? This is from 2016. These were just some Studio 112 alpha pieces. And I don't have my book in front of me, but these are some pages that I copied out of one of my, one of those adult coloring books. And I know I got it from Ollie's. And I don't know where the book is at, which is weird. I think I took the spine apart and just kept the originals in the copies. And I bought this a few years ago when I was doing a collab with Fort Spice, a coloring collab, and I used some of these pages to color. So I don't think I have the original one, but you will see what I did with it. I fussy cut out, well, I colored the background in my Spectrum Noir markers, I colored her in Spectrum Noir markers, and then I also stamped her out on different color paper to layer her. And I actually used some graphic 45 paper. And I move my pad. The here and, I think it's the here and now, the travel. Here and there, or here and now. 6x6 paper pad. And I moved it, of course, right before I decided to do the video. But anyway, I stamped her out on that. First to cut everything else, I had to put everything up because I'm doing all my videotapes at the same time because I'm trying to get the last 10 that I had to do before the end of the 8 before I had to do before the end of the year. So I had to move stuff off my desk. But anyway, I punched out the clouds with this. I fussy cut out in this city, and then I extended it over to the edge. Fussy cut out these little chairs, and this hand made this little landing concrete, whatever you want to call it today. And on the right here in the gray, I used a stencil of some bricks, so you can just have a little bit of, see that dimension there. I was going to go one color with the sky, then I changed it up because I needed another marker, so I just kind of made it look like a cloud, gloomy. And it says around town, so she's just visiting around town. And so I love this layout. I love how it looks because it looks like she's just, you know, the background is just these buildings and she's around town chilling, just viewing her neighborhood. So that is Jessie, and she is number 46. I have 2 more to go, and again, I don't know, I'm sure, but they will be done for 2020, and it's over with. So like I kept my word to myself that these would be done, and then I will show you the flip through, and you can check out my individual pictures on my Instagram or my Pinterest board. So anyway, thanks. Hopefully this has inspired you to pull out your stamps and do them with, you know, use something creative. It's great to fussy cut. If you want to scan and cut, that's fine too, but I like fussy cutting. And make it in my own, or you could adhere the page down, but these pages are 8.5 by 11. So you would have that issue with it being too small. I use the 9 by 12 pages just because it fits the portion of the doll. Give it a little bit more space, and I can create a scene in the background. You can use smaller pages, but that's what I chose to use for my my albums. So anyway, and I make it work, and I just extend stuff. So hopefully you like it, and you're inspired to use maybe some of your adult coloring books for your background. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.